is right.
I can say anything in front of this crowd.
Okay, then let's step to the first question. My first question is, uh, what is what step has been taken to improve the tourism in our India? The tourist system. Many people are coming to India for tour, like in Agra, etc. There are many places. So, what steps are being taken to improve the tourist system?
So you are also you. So you can also know that now there are so many issues.
Yes.
That airports, so many issues. There are entrance. In future, we are launching a pass that if one person in one person went in airport, that person will get that pass, and if he have that pass, they can he can he can go anywhere.
Yes, yes. Okay. Then what you are feeling after in coming this position?
So I am feeling very happy. This in this post, I feel so many amazing things.
Yes. You have experienced many things.
Yes, yes.
Then what is please tell to our audience what is your hidden secret behind your success?
So, dear my audience, there is no hidden secret behind my success. That people say that effort, practice, prayer.
Oh, means the struggle is key of success.
Yes, the struggle is the main factor behind my success, and the struggle is the and if we want a success, if in other program also, then struggle is the main factor.
Okay. Then please tell that what steps are being taken to improve the health care for the tourists.
So we are launching Ayushman Bharat. In that there will be so many hospitals and so many millions
Yes.
and so many millions of families can get free health care. And in that I that I told in first that we will give a pass,
Yes, yes.
because that pass they can get free health care.
So sir, please can you show that pass?
It is here. Yes, that pass like this.
Oh, it is very nice. I will buy this.
Okay.
Okay, then let's step to the last question. Finally, what message would you want to give to our people of India?
So my message is very simple, that stay together and work together to develop and self-reliance our Indian. And if we work together, we can do anything.
Yes, that is right.
Yes.
Then, sir, we are very thanked that you joined us today. So, guys, we are very thanked to sir that he joined us today because he is a very busy person. From every people are calling him from everywhere. But he accepted our request because he like us. Yes, sir, it is right.
Yes, I like very much.
So, we in this conversation, in this episode, we have discussed about the new plans, the new plans for tourist system. Then we want to follow it, and we want to buy, we want to follow them. So we are concluding our conversation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.